This webinar will give you an idea of what seismic isolation is and why we need seismic isolation in general. It will be composed of two parts. In the first part, it will be very general earthquake engineering knowledge, where I will tell you about the tectonic structure of the Earth and why earthquakes occur. Then I will try to tell you a little bit about the seismic design philosophy, and at the end we will see why we need seismic isolation. Then in the second part, is the main part of this presentation, I will talk about the basics of seismic isolation, the history of seismic isolation, the main isolator types, seismic isolator tests, and the testing facilities worldwide, and some of the applications, again, seismic isolation applications in the world. These parts I will pass very quickly. Probably you all know what I am talking about. The earthquakes occur because of the movement of the tectonic plates. Every day there are several earthquakes, and every year there are several major earthquakes that happen, and the buildings and the people suffer from those earthquakes. This slide shows the major tectonic plates movements. The largest earthquakes occur in this part of the world, in the east of Asia, near Japan, and west of the continent America, where we call this area a ring of fire. And the largest recorded earthquakes mostly occur in this part of the world. When we check the major earthquakes on the world, which are larger than 8.5, this is the top 12. You can see that what we have seen up to this moment is not more than 9.5 magnitude earthquake. And the scenario is this. You can see the images of the destructions after earthquakes in Chile, in Japan with tsunami, in again Chile in 1960, 9.5 earthquake. In Indonesia, again a big tsunami hit the coast after the earthquake.